Guy asked, he goes, should I cash out my 401k and move into a money market?
Yes. Yes, you should.
Okay, so I have very two simple questions would be, one, are you retiring tomorrow? Unless you're 65 years old, that answer is going to be no. And then are you retiring in less than 10 years? So again, if you're 55 and under, the answer is going to be no. The reason for that, if you look at any rolling 10-year period, the market is higher in any 10-year period. I don't care if you start the Great Depression or before that, after that, any rolling 10-year period, the market is higher. So if you're retiring in more than 10 years and you think you're going to sell at the low of this year and then magically get back in at some other arbitrary point, you're just going to be lagging the market. You're going to underperform, causing more stress, than needed. 401ks, these longer-term accounts, you're automatically dollar cost averaging. So if the market drops 16% in a week and you're getting your contributions most likely going in yesterday, you pretty much marked the bottom just without even you doing anything, just because you're getting paid on the 1st and 15th or the 15th and 30th. So you just dollar cost average at the best time humanly possible relative to this year. So for the guys with 401ks, especially if you don't know what you're doing, those are accounts. You just leave them, pick the proper funds. If you want us to look at them, we help people with their 401ks all day long. Super easy, takes us 2 minutes to do. So leave your 401k, do not mess with it. Next few